Okay, so today I'm going to be showing off the G3 Mini from UniFi. I just got this in the mail today. I'm very excited. It's one of their early access cameras. It is Wi-Fi, not Power over Ethernet based, but it is very low cost. I think this one was $30 or $40. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it is been out of stock for quite a while on the early access site. As soon as I got the notification that it was back in stock, I said, all right, I have to order it, and was lucky enough to get one. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Always like the packaging on their products. They've gotten a lot better too. So a nice little tiny camera, quick start guide, and cable, mounting hardware. It looks like everything we need inside of here. Alright, so that's everything that's inside the box. Next we're gonna get this added to my Protect system and see how it looks. Okay, so let's get this plugged in and we'll get this set up real quick. So here's the power supply, power cable. So it looks like it's USB to USB-C. Nice right angle cable. And goes in the bottom here. Got white light blinking, or white light just solid on the front. Interesting. So before I could figure out how to add it on the computer, it chimed, and now it's a blinking light. So I imagine this is like a pairing mode. Let's see. So I don't think I can add it in online because I don't see it. I imagine this is using the new like Bluetooth kind of ad, so I might have to do it on my phone in the Protect app. Okay, so I'm here in the UniFi Protect app, and we're just going to click plus sign, add new element here, and it already finds it instantly via Bluetooth. So that's what I was suspecting. I'm sure there's a way to add it in the controller. Didn't read the instructions. Who reads instructions? And it looks like it was looking for my Wi-Fi and then just went away. And now, okay, it's still chiming like it's wanting to add a device. Let's try this again. Please wait while Bluetooth. Please wait while Wi-Fi networks are located. Here we go. So that didn't come up before. So we're going to choose my Wi-Fi here. Type in the password. And there we go. We'll leave it default name for now. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to show you, I have the UniFi Protect Homebridge plugin set up on a Raspberry Pi. So I didn't have to do anything already. It automatically pulled it into my home app on my phone because the plugin's already set up and configured. But it just shows you one of the other great features is running Homebridge and the UniFi Protect app adds all the devices automatically for you once it signs in, which is really nice. So, initial impressions of the G3 Mini. I like it for the cost of the camera. I think what you're getting is really great because it integrates into the UniFi Protect ecosystem. And the biggest savings I think you get from other cameras in this price point is the fact that UniFi Protect is local recording to a local hard drive in your network. For me, that is kind of the main nail in the coffin when looking at other cameras. So definitely can't wait to put this through its paces and see how well I like it. Thanks for watching, guys.